Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow birthday cake. Let's start drawing. I draw the birthday cake. Now the top part. Then I draw 3 candles on the top.
Happy birthday!
Finally, I draw a heart in the middle. I draw some wavy lines like these that are going to be the delicious cream. Now, let's draw a cute face. I draw 2 pretty eyes. Eyelashes, his cheeks, and his mouth. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. For coloring this delicious birthday cake, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange,
Happy birthday!
yellow, green, blue, purple. Then start using the rainbow colors again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, purple, I colored this part purple. Red for the heart, pink for the creamy part. Purple. Mint for the candles like this. And use this yellow marker for the flames. Bravo! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.